everyone. In the last two classes we studied how to read and write the numbers in Indian system and in million system. To revise once again, in the Indian system, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. In million system or in system international, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Till here, in both the systems same. Here, after 10,000, in million system, 100,000. After 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. After that, billion comes. So, you have to study only till million. So, let me solve some of the problems, whatever they have given in the try these. And then we'll go to exercise 1.1. So, shall we start? Yes. Only two sums to write down in the Indian system, two sums to write down in the million system. Then we'll go to exercise 1.1. The question given is like this. Write the numbers in words. Use placement box and then write in the expanded form. And they were also asked, which is the smallest, which is the largest. Write them in ascending order. So, which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? How do you see? First, before you say which is the smallest and which is the largest, first you have to know how to read the numbers. So, let us read the numbers. Units, tens, hundreds. One more thing you have to remember. If they say write the numbers in words, use placement box, they don't mention any of the system. Then you have to use Indian system only. If they want you to use million system, they specify that you use million system. Otherwise, you use Indian system only. Now, let us read. Units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. So, what is this? 4,75,320. Now, let us go to the second one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So, this is 98,47,215. Let us go to the third one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. This is 9 crore 76 lakhs 45,310. Let us go to the last one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. So, this is 4 lakh. This is 98 lakh. This is 9 crore. This is 3 crore. So, which is the smallest? Smallest is this one only. 4,75,320. Which is the largest? Largest is this. 9 crore. 76 lakhs. 45,310. Now, how do you write down in ascending order? Tell me, how do you write down in ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Right? Small to big. So, how do you write down? 4,75,320. 4,75,320 is smaller than 98,47,215 is smaller than 3 crore 4,50,094 is smaller than 9 crore 76 lakhs 45,310. We wrote which is the smallest, we wrote which is the largest, we wrote in the ascending order. How do you write down descending order? Descending order is just reverse of this. First you have to write down 9 crore 76 lakhs 45,310 is greater than 3,04,58,094 is greater than 98,47,215 is greater than. Just go ulta. You will get the answer for descending order. Now, out of these, some two will write down in words and use the placement box and write in the expanded form so you will understand better. We'll do B and C. Okay, which is the B? We'll do B and C. So how do you read? 98 lakhs, 47,215. That is what we have to write down in verse. What is that? 98 lakhs. Then 47,000. 215. This is in words we wrote. This we put the comma, we wrote in verse. Now, how do you use placement boxes? So, in the placement boxes, you have to draw like this. You draw neatly using pencil and a scale. So, what do you have to do? Tell me. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. And 98 lakh is there, so 10 lakhs. To start filling the numbers from here, 5, 1, 2, 7, 4, 8, 9. So how do you expand this? 9 into 10 lakhs. 9 into 10 lakhs. Right? Plus 8 into 1 lakh. 8 into 1 lakh. Then plus 4 into 10,000. 4 into 10,000. Plus 7 into 1,000. Plus 7 into 1,000. Plus 2 into 100. 2 into 100. Plus 1 into 10. Plus 5 into 1. So how do you write down in powers in the expanded form and powers? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 into 10 to the power of 6. If you want to verify, to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are right. Plus 8 into 10 to the power of 5. Plus 4 into 10 to the power of 4. Plus 7 into 10 to the power of 3. Plus 2 into 10 to the power of 2. Plus 9 into, plus 1 into 10 to the power of 1. Plus 5 into 10 to the power of 0. The last digit is always 10 to the power of 0. Always you verify. 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 4, 5, 6. So, we are very much correct. We wrote in the expanded form. We wrote in the placement box. We wrote in verse. Is it clear? Yes. I'll do one more. And then we'll go to exercise 1.1. Okay? Shall we start? 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, comma. See, this is thousand, this is lakhs, this is crores. How do you write down in words? 3 crores, comma, 0, 4. So, 4 lakhs. 4 lakh, then 58. 58,000. 58,000. What? 0, 9 for is 94. 94. So we wrote correctly in verse. 3 crore, 4 lakh, 58,094. Now you have to write down using the place value chart. So in the place value chart, again you draw very neatly using pencil and scale. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, and here there is crore also, crore, right? We'll write down from the right hand side 4908540 So how do you write down in the expanded form? 3 into 1 crore plus 0 into 10 lakh. I need not write down 0 into 10 lakh. I can simply put 0. So I write down 3 into 1 crore after crore, lakh after lakh, thousand plus 0 plus 4 into 1 lakh. 4 into 1 lakh. After lakh, thousand, then these three zeros plus 5 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 or 0 plus 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1. How do you write down in words in powers of 10? 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are we correct? 10 to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very much correct. 3 into 10 to the power of 7 plus 0 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 8 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 0 plus 9 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 0. The last digit is 4 into 1, that is 10 to the power of 0. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. Did you all understand? So, let me write last two sums in the million system. Then we will go to exercise 1.1. Now, let us try to write down this using million system or system international. So, what is A? Let me take one by one. A. 5, 2, 7, 8, 6, 4. How to put comma? 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3. Over. How do you read this number? This is one number. What is this? 527. So 527,864. What is this? 527,000, comma 864. Now, how do you write down using the place value chart? You can write down units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So 4, 6, 8, 7, 2, 5. So 5 into 100,000 plus 2 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 4 into 1. How do you write down in powers of 10? 5 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power of 5. Let us verify. 10 to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are right. Plus 2 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 8 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 0. I hope you understood clearly. Let us move on to the next question. We'll try to put comma 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma. So how do you read this? 18, 90, 950, comma 049. Am I right? This is the number. How do you read this? 18,950,049. So how do you write down? 18. 18 million. 950,000. 49. 49. How do you write down in the place value chart? So again, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, after million, even 10 million is there, 10 million. So 940,059,81. How do you read this number? 18,950,049. We know. How do you write down now in the expanded form? 1 into 10 million. 1 into 10 million, after million, 3 places for 1,000, then 3 places plus 8 into 1 million. 1 million, after that 3 places for 1,000, then plus 9 into 100,000 plus 5 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So how do you write down? 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 to the power of 7. Let us verify whether we are right. 10 to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are very much correct. Plus 8 into 10 to the power of 6. Plus 9 into 10 to the power of 5. Plus 5 into 10 to the power of 4. Plus 0. Plus 0. You did not write down plus 0 into 1000 plus 0, 0. Plus 4 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 9 into 10 to the power of 0. This is how you have to write down in the expanded form in million system. You can simply write down 0. You have no need of writing 0 into 1000 also. If you have written, if you write also it is not wrong. If you don't write also it is not wrong. Because 0 into any number is 0. Is it clear to you all? So let us move. Now let us go to exercise 1.1. Before we discuss about, I want to ask you some question. In Indian system, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. After 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. In million system, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. After that, the changes. After 10,000, 100,000. After 100,000, million. After million, 10 million. After 10 million, 100 million. After 100 million, billion. So, after 100 million, billion. So, but billion is not there for you. So, only till 100 million is there. Now, look at this exercise 1.1. Fill in the blanks. First question. Fill in the blanks. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. I also get confused. What is this question? So, best method is, I teach you one. 1 lakh is here. So, you write on 1 lakh. 1 lakh, after 1 lakh, how many zeros? This is for 10,000 and 1,000. And right hand side, I write down 10,000. So, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also, I cut those 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, when I cut, how many 10,000s? 10 10,000s. Understood clearly? 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. 100,000. Yes. 1 million will write down 1 million. After that 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, right? 100,000 will write down 100,000, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much remain? 10,100,000. Understood? 1 crore. 1 crore will write down 1 crore. After 4 lakhs, then 1,000, then zeros, 3 zeros. More 10 lakh you write down 10 lakh. After lakh 1,000. After that 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many? 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs. 1 crore is equal to dash million. We'll write down 1 crore, 1. After that 10 lakhs, lakhs. After that 1,000. After that 3 zeros. Million will write down 1 million. 1,000, right? Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay? 1 crore I wrote, million I wrote. In million, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the number? 10. So 1 crore is equal to 10 million. So now 1 million is equal to dash lakhs. 1 million will write 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it 1 million? Yes, no? Lakh. 1 lakh. After that 1,000. After that 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? 10 lakhs. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Understood clearly how to do it? No need of worrying so much. What is this? Write down lakh in one side, 10,000 in one side. In 10,000, how many zeros are there you count? Then you put here. Understood? Yes. Let us go to the second question of this exercise 1.1. Second question is like this. Place commas and write the numerals. They have given in words. You have to write down the numerals and write the proper number properly by putting the comma. 73 lakh 75,307. So how do you write down in numbers? 73 lakh, put comma. 76,000 over 307. This is the answer. 73 lakh 76,000. Sorry, 75,000 you have given. 75,307. 73 lakh 75,307. Second one. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore over 5 lakhs. There is no 10 lakhs. There is no 10 lakhs. So 0 5 lakhs. After that there is no 1,000. So 0 0 1,000. No hundreds. 41. See how do you write down? 9 crore 5 lakhs 41. Now you go to the third one. C. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. All the places are there. See. 7 crore, comma. 52 lakhs. 52 lakhs over 21,000 over 302. 302. Finished. This is the answer. 7 crore 52 lakhs 21,302. Right? Now go to this. Now million system has come. 58,423,202. So how many million? 58 million. After that, 423,000. 423,000. 202. 202. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now there are no 3 digits. I could add one more digit also. But they have started 58 million. 58 million 423,202. Now after this, 23 lakh 30,010. 23 lakh over 30,000. After lakh 30,000. Right? And 10. There is no hundreds. 0, 1, 0. After writing again you read whether you are written correctly or not. 23 lakh 30,000 and 10. Correct. Everyone understood clearly? If they give in words, you know to write down in numerals. If they write in numerals, you know how to put the comma and write down in the words. Right? Let us go to the next question. The next question is, insert commas and write in Indian system. Indian system, you know, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Come on. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, comma. So how do you read? 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So how do you read? 8 crore. 8 crore. 75 lakhs. Then 95,000. 762. 762. 62. This is Indian system. Now here 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, comma. So thousands, lakhs. So how do you write down? 85 lakhs. 85 lakhs. After that, 46,000. 46,000. After that, 283. 283. 83. Right? Now you go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, comma. Thousands, lakhs, crores. So how do you read? 9 crore, 99 lakh. There is no nothing in 1,000. So 9 crore, 99 lakhs, 46. 9 crores, 99 lakhs, 46. 46. 46. There is nothing in between. Now you go to the last one. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, comma. So, thousands, lakhs, crores. So, how do we read? 9 crore, 84 lakhs, 84 lakhs, then 32,000, 32,000, 701, 701. and 1. I hope you understood how to read the numbers in Indian system. The whatever sums they have given as a last, fourth question, I have already worked out while I discussed about the million system, how to read the numbers in the million system. In million system, units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Suppose the same number if you want to write down as a million system, 9843271. How will you write down? 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. So how do you write down? 98 million 432,000 701. I hope you understood clearly how to write the numbers in Indian system, in million system, how to write on the place value chart, how to write the numbers in the expanded form, all that in both the systems. So if you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.